Okay, in this video, we're going to create a second web page. Now, we created the first one with a Rails controller or with a Rails generator, right? There's lots of generators that generate lots of things, but it's also a good idea to sort of understand how to do it manually. So we're going to do that in this video. Now, a thing like this in Rails requires three things: a view, the HTML page, a controller, the behind the scenes brain, and a route. So the thing knows where it's at, right? So let's go ahead and go through all of those things. I'm right here in our app views home directory. And I'm just going to right click and create a new file, Control S to save it. And I'm going to call this about.html.erb. ERB stands for embedded Ruby, allows us to do embedded Ruby stuff on a page. So I'm just going to go h1 about me. And then down here, I'm just going to go, my name is John Elder. I build cool stuff online. I don't know. It's debatable. So I'm just going to save this. Now we need to create a controller. So in app controllers, go to our home controller, and we see we've already got this index controller that was generated automatically when we use the Rails generator to create our index page. Now we need one for the about page, and it's just def define about and then end. Now, if this is more complicated, we can put stuff in here. We can do all kinds of logic and cool stuff in there, but we're just doing a minimum sort of thing right now, so that's all we need. But finally, we need a route. So minimize some of these and go to config routes. We've already seen this file once, so I'm just going to basically copy this one. So I can highlight this, paste, but instead of home index, it's home about, right? So if we save this, that's all we need really. We can come back here and go home/about, boom, about me. And you'll notice we still have the nav bar up here, excuse me, and that is because the nav bar sits in our application.html file, and that means, like I said earlier, it will render this on every single page of our website. Now we have two pages, so it's rendering it in two places. One on the About Me page, two on the index page. And that's it. That's as easy as it gets. I mean, people like to use the generators because they're so easy, right? You just type in Rails generate controller home index, and boom, it creates everything for you. But we just did it manually just now, and it took less than 2 minutes, right? And it was really easy. So either way you do it, doesn't really matter, personal preference. I do it manually usually just because I know how to do it, and I just very quickly do it like that. So yeah, that's how to create a second page. Now in the next video, I think we'll work on these links so that we can link these two pages together, get some actual navigation going, and that'll be in the next video.